Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App not available in your country. So in order to fix that issue, you would need to change the location or region on your mobile device that you have been using. So in order to do so, first of all launch settings on your mobile device. Now scroll down below and tap on General. Now again scroll down below and go to Language and Region. From here, just select the option of region. Okay, here we go. Now choose the country from the list. For instance, I'm going to choose United States here. Now, once you choose the country where Cash App is available, just tap on Change to according to the country's name given, and then your phone will be restarted, which in turn will change location on your mobile device. Now, let's go to Settings and tap on Apple ID's name. From here, just tap on the option of Payment and Shipping. Now over here, you can also change your billing address location right over here. And then if you tap on Continue, you can choose country and region according to your choice. And if you do so, you will be able to change location on your mobile device and make sure that the location is of where Cash App is available. So by doing all these steps, you will be able to fix your issue. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.